Welcome to AndroIndian. In this session, we explore the foundational elements of project management.
Every discipline has first principles. Project management is no exception. Without understanding foundations, execution becomes mechanical rather than strategic.
We will examine projects, governance, and how strategy connects to execution. Let's begin with Section 1, the key characteristics that define a project.
A project is a temporary endeavor. It has a defined beginning and a definite end.
It is not a continuous operation. It concludes once the specific goals are achieved.
Every project is unique. It produces a specific product, service, or result that hasn't existed exactly like this before.
Projects are drivers of change, designed to enable business value and achieve strategic goals. Next, we look at the life cycle process groups that guide a project from start to finish.
It starts with initiating, authorizing the project, followed by planning to define scope, schedule, and budget.
Executing involves carrying out the plan, managing teams, and coordinating resources effectively.
Monitoring and controlling happens throughout, tracking progress to ensure everything stays in alignment with the plan.
Finally, closing formalizes all activities, ensuring deliverables meet expectations and lessons are learned. Section 2, Project Governance. This is the oversight mechanism that ensures success.
Governance provides a framework of structured processes and decision-making models for the project team.
It defines roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities, providing the control needed for complex initiatives.
Section 3, Strategic Alignment. Ensuring every project supports the organization's long-term vision.
Alignment translates high-level strategy into actionable initiatives, avoiding costly distractions.
Portfolio management helps prioritize the right projects that contribute most to the company's success.
Finally, we touch on the key knowledge areas: integration, scope, schedule, and cost.
Managing stakeholders and risks ensures that challenges are mitigated and expectations are managed.
These foundational elements work together to turn complex ideas into reality.
We've covered the characteristics, life cycle, governance, and strategy behind successful project management.
Visit us at AndroIndian.com for more professional insights and PMP guidance. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.